How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today we're talking about a really interesting crypto that I think is in an industry that a lot of people are going to move to crypto in. A lot of people will want to use this crypto or something like it. So I try to view every single crypto that's in this industry, and there aren't that many of them yet. A lot of people talk about gaming, a lot of people talk about DeFi, metaverse, that kind of stuff, but this is casino. This is a casino in crypto. And honestly, when you look at humans, we know that they like risk. We know that they like to gamble. And we know that these casinos in person can be rigged. We know that it's very hard to understand the parameters that they set to make sure that everything is fair. And that's where we can get into crypto casinos that are open and transparent. So I think this is going to be a big industry. It's just a question of who wins. Today I want to talk to you about DestinyX. Now this is a partner of the channel, so do your own research, but they're super interesting crypto. Now there will be a link underneath the video to get up to a $10,000 deposit bonus, and it basically matches dollar for dollar what you put in. Now DestinyX is a licensed online crypto gambling platform with hundreds of casino games and sportbook events. The platform is backed by Dragonfly, CoinFund, and aims to be one of the top online casinos for gaming, sports betting, and it will enable users to win up to 1000x with their digital assets. The vision is to become one of the biggest gaming super apps globally. Now, keep in mind that in the US, you still can't use this, so if you're outside the US, that's great. You might be saying, why would I want to use DestinyX? Well, they have a wide selection of games and sportsbooks, a generous deposit bonus up to $10,000, and they are a licensed crypto casino backed by top venture capital funds. Now, if you want to use this is kind of how it goes. First, you register, obviously, name, email, that kind of thing, set up a password. It's very quick. You get a message to your email just to verify. Then you have to deposit. You can transfer crypto in, and they have a variety of different cryptos from FBX to BXC to RLB to USDC, USDT, DAI, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Axie Infinity, Ape, a lot of different cryptos. Or you can buy with a card. So those are the two options. I would typically say that it makes more sense to transfer crypto in just because you can usually save a little bit on fees. And then deposit matching. You can get up to 100% deposit match up to $10,000. Now, DestinyX uses a meme coin called BXC, which is the Bloxie's coin, as the native utility token for the platform. The deflationary tokenomics were designed to give holders exposure to the platform's growth. It's a deflationary token through a burn mechanism. You can also get up to 15% cash back by using BXC on DestinyX, and they burn up to 40% of the gaming revenue that they bring in BXC token. Now, this could be something very comparable to Rollbit coin, which actually is much larger. It's at a $470 million market cap. You can see it went up to about 21 cents or 20 cents, and it's at 14 cents now. It's done really well throughout the bear market. Compare this to something like BXC, and Bloxie's is much, much smaller. 2 million versus 497, so it's about 250 times smaller at this point. Now, Rollbit has a website that looks very similar to DestinyX. So hopefully DestinyX and their token Bloxies, or the token that they use, can continue to grow just like Rollbit, because they are gaining a lot of adoption here. Rollbit's one of the biggest casinos, if not the biggest casino in crypto right now. So I'll be watching both of these over the coming months. Hopefully I can do a follow-up video too. And Bloxie token also is powering not just DestinyX, but also their own AI robot blockchain NFTs. And they're available on Mexi and PTSE, and I believe they just rolled out to another exchange recently. So in case you want to buy some of this, you can check it out. Rebel Fund, Razor, Orange DAO, all are backers as well. So you can get more information on them. If we pull up their Twitter page here, you can see that they do have thousands and thousands of followers, including Miles the Shooter, which he's obviously a big player in the crypto space in his own right. So I would definitely check this out in addition to DestinyX. Now, I know someone that actually played this, and it was another YouTuber who was able to withdraw. He sent me the screenshot. He got $142.08 in USDT. And then he told me just a few hours later that it hit his account at Coinbase. So you can withdraw as well. You can win on this platform as well. Of course, it is a casino, so they have a slightly higher chance of winning than you do. But there's definitely ways that you can make money on it. Now, of course, you always have to do your own due diligence. I'm not here to tell you to buy anything or even to go try this casino if you're uncomfortable with it. But if you are someone that's looking for big narratives in crypto that could do quite well and are looking for projects that have a token that is that they're using that's pretty small overall and has room for growth, I would check this out underneath the video. They also have a great sign up bonus. Assuming you're willing to deposit a decent amount, you can get a really good bonus because they match 1-for-1. Now, of course, you have to do a couple different things to get that bonus, but you can see that when you click that link and sign up. Now, thanks so much to DestinyX for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.